Hi, this is a celebration about me. My name is Tyanda Hackett, and I will be coming to you and expressing my speech of gratitude for the people who supported me during my career of being a student at the Delaware State University and allowing me to fulfill my career goal, and that's to attain my bachelor's degree in nursing. I'd like to thank everyone who supported me and my choices to continue to go back to school. You realize who your true friends and family are when you go through something so rigorous. I first like to thank God who will for allowing me to have the strength and the faith to continue through this program, knowing that if it had not been for God that was on my side, where would I be? This journey started in 1995 when I was in eighth grade and I was able to choose a career and research it for a whole year to see if that was a career I wanted to go into. As time went on, I went into a career specialist program that allowed me to explore even more of what nurses do. After high school, I was able to go to a community college. However, I was not ready for that experience. It messed up a lot of times. I had a lot of naysayers in my experience, and it was not a good one. It also ignited me to continue to do what I needed to do to become a nurse. The celebration continues. The celebration continues where I was able to go to Wesley College. The most proudest day of my life was being offered a 4-year scholarship and able to continue my desire of having my bachelor's degree and going into my master's degree program to be able to continue in nursing. After Wesley closed and decided to go to DSU, it was a great experience so far. This celebration allows me to see that you can do all things as if you put your mind to it. There was nothing worth going to every day driving the highway, whether good weather or bad weather, whether you stayed up all night studying for a test that you should have studied 4 weeks ago. It all has been worth it. And there's nothing else that I could imagine doing, and that's celebrating this milestone in my life. And if it was not for the prayers of my grandmother, I don't know where I would be because she knew that I would be a great nurse. I was her nurse before she passed. And I will always be thankful and grateful for the opportunity and experience. Have a good night, everybody, and thank you for supporting me in these 4 years of accomplishment. God bless.